Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 with RTX. First, make sure your PC meets the necessary system requirements for ray tracing, especially a compatible NVIDIA RTX graphics card. Next, you'll need to download the Half-Life 2 RTX mod from a reputable source. Always double-check the download site to ensure you're getting the official and safe version of the mod. This initial preparation is key for a smooth experience. Once downloaded, navigate to your Half-Life 2 game directory. You'll typically find this in your Steam installation folder. Extract the mod files directly into the designated mod folder within your Half-Life 2 directory. After extraction, open Steam, right-click Half-Life 2, and check the launch options or properties to ensure the mod is recognized. This step is crucial for the game to load with the new RTX enhancements. Now launch Half-Life 2 with the RTX mod. Head into the game's graphics settings. You'll find new options specifically for ray tracing. Start by enabling the core RTX features. Then, fine-tune settings like global illumination, reflections, and shadows to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment. Finding the perfect balance between visual fidelity and performance will greatly enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy the stunning new visuals. If you encounter any performance issues, the first step is to ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers are a common cause of problems. Also, don't hesitate to check community forums and online guides. Many players share solutions for common glitches. For an even better experience, consider upgrading your car's ambience. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.